Hey everybody, I'm here with some of my friends from Iowa Legendary Rye here in Carroll, Iowa. I've got Alec, Chad, and Max here with me, and we've got something super special to show you. It's the Whiskey Flamethrower, so let's check it out. Well, this doesn't seem dangerous at all. Let's go ahead and try it inside. All right, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. It's actually it's self-sustaining at this point.
Yeah, you can feel the heat.
Oh yeah. It's definitely got some serious heat.
It's so cool, the glass.
Oh, it broke.
Just That's cool.
So this is the main power switch. It gives connection to the battery to both the pump and this switch here, which activates the fuel injector. This is an STI pink fuel injector. And the pump pumps the whiskey from this bottle up and through this winding tube right here. And that feeds to the back of the fuel injector. And then of course, we've got the little blowtorch to light it all as it comes out. Of course, we got the little Iowa Legendary Rye symbol on there.
That's insane. That's crazy. I've never seen whiskey boil.
That's so crazy. Okay. Oh! Man, the flames are so hot when it comes out.
I was just going to ask you, like, how bad is it?
You can definitely, man, it's, if you feel it on your face, it's like you're standing in front of a campfire or something.
Yeah.
Man, that's cool though. I like it.
Take a little walk to the edge of town and go across the track where the viaduct looms like a bird of doom as it ships and cracks. Where secrets lie in the border fires and the humming wires. Yeah, man, you know you're never coming. Across the square, across the bridge, across the mills, past the stacks. On a gathering storm comes a tall, handsome man in a dusty black coat with a red right hand.
I gotta get this like weird smile off my face.
Me too. I felt bad asking you, I'm sorry. Okay, ready?